Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get crowns on Duolingo application or Duolingo application. Anyway, so first of all, of course, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and, of course, create your account, choose the language that you're going to learn, or if you have an account, just go log in into it, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait for the application until it loads, and as you can see, that will actually be my home or my main screen on the Duolingo application. And you lost your streak, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's just wait until it loads. I guess, yeah, they will give me a test, so let me just take that test and I'm coming back. So sorry, I'm here back to you. I just lost my streaks because like I'm not entering that like daily. Anyway, so as I said, this will actually be your home or your main screen. Of course, your home screen may get different, so due to whatever language you're learning, whatever your progress in the language, and etc. Of course. So if you want to earn crowns or to get crowns on Duolingo, you earn crowns by completing a certain amount of lesson and a skill and moving up and level difficulty. So if you like finish this all of this as an example and make sure, so as you can see, level up, you will need to level that up completely, so you will get the most possible crowns, because as you can see, I finish this one time and I go away. But if you repeat this again, you will master it and you will get actually more crowns. So when you click on a skill, it will show you how many levels there are. This tell you how many crowns you can earn in that skill. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.